uniting and understanding, all in this together. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very uplifting and unifying phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. All in this together. This expression is not only powerful but also deeply meaningful, especially when it comes to teamwork, solidarity, and collective effort. Our goal today is to explore its meaning, usage, and the profound impact it can have on communication and community spirit. Let's get started and unpack the essence of being all in this together. All in this together is a phrase that underscores unity, mutual support, and shared experiences or goals among a group of people. It conveys the idea that everyone is part of a team or community, facing challenges, working towards objectives, or experiencing situations as a collective. This expression highlights the importance of cooperation, empathy, and shared responsibility. It reminds us that, despite our individual differences, we share common ground and are interconnected in our efforts and destinies. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations, from casual conversations to formal speeches. Here are a few contexts where it shines. In times of crisis or challenge, when a community faces a natural disaster, a public health emergency, or any collective hardship, saying, "We're all in this together," fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. In teamwork and collaboration, whether in a workplace, sports team, or any group project, this expression can motivate members to work collaboratively towards a common goal, emphasizing that success is a collective achievement. In social and environmental campaigns, it's a powerful call to action for collective efforts in addressing societal issues, climate change, and other global challenges, highlighting our shared responsibility for the planet and each other. The beauty of all in this together lies in its ability to inspire unity, foster empathy, and motivate collective action. It serves as a reminder that we are not alone, that our actions affect others, and that we can achieve more when we support and work with one another. This phrase encourages us to look beyond our individual concerns and recognize our role in a larger community or ecosystem. It's about building bridges, not walls, and understanding that our shared humanity is our greatest strength. As we wrap up, remember that the phrase, "all in this together," is more than just words. It's a call to action, a philosophy, and a beacon of hope. It encourages us to embrace our shared experiences, challenges, and goals with open hearts and united efforts. By recognizing that we are indeed all in this together, we can create more compassionate, supportive, and resilient communities. Thank you for joining me in exploring this powerful expression. May it inspire you to foster unity and collaboration in your own life and the lives of those around you. See you in the next video.